batteries on. All right, we are good. Oh Lord. All right, let's go. What's up, guys? We made it to JC Skate Park. I'm about to meet up with the homies. You guys will see in a second, but we're here about to get in a skate session, and yeah, I'll just leave it at that. So let's get it.
Camera 1 ready. Camera 2. Yeah.
Camera 3. Action, action. For an intro.
We on YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube.
It's gonna work. Only camera 3. You want to be camera 3 now? Yeah.
All right, camera 2.
You okay with that camera?
I'm good. I'm good.
Camera 2. Damn! Got the GoPro horizontal.
Damn.
All they excited for you.
He did it.
Camera 2, you got it?
I got it.
Camera 1, you got it?
We good?
You're good?
We're good?
Good. Yeah, did it! Shout out to the camera crew.
The camera.
Camera 1.
3 clips.
Camera 2. 3. 2.
Go.
Camera 1. Wow.
How's it again?
When you have time, watch Neat, What Time When. It's like a big group from like 10 years ago. These were the guys.
Oh, really? I don't know what that is.
Black Ninja?
No! Yeah, what? I don't know what that is. Yeah, this is one. Gotta film everything.
I'm a munch.
I'm a munch. Yeah, same, bro.
I feel a lot of things.
Wow. That's sick. Just that Ashton spot. Yeah, I see.
You're gonna jump all that, right?
Bro, that's sick. We even got a little shade spot.
I saw the shade I had.
He's like, I'm coming straight here. If I skate across this, bro, I'm getting an F. It's hard? This is sick. Oh my god. That's so sick. Wow. It's so pretty, bro. I should have went. Gosh damn.
Got it.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't even fall in.
I am saying. The shoes though, now your socks are wet, bro.
Yeah.
Soggy socks, bro, that's the worst.
I know, bro.
Oh!
Wow.
Bro, he really up in it. For real?
Oh, fuck, I rolled my ankle.
Oh, hell no. So nasty, bro.
Wow, what's up to like?
Oh. Good struggle.
I don't know my board was.
I was saying, bro.
I was getting scared for a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, it's down there?
Oh, got it. Yeah, I got it. I'm already wet. Hold up. I think it's stuck in the hole. Got it. It's right there.
Oh, this is like the 4th time he's in there. Poor guy, man.
I need my board back. What are you doing?
He's surfing. Literally.
I was still in.
Oh my god.
Right here in Las Vegas, we have a freshwater tech deck from its Snow Cove.
You got
Thanks, bro.
Fudge, bro. Alright, I'm gonna try it. But if my board falls in, Jay said he's gonna go grab it for me. So let's hope. But man. I don't know. I guess let's just do it. See what we got. It's scented. What are my thoughts? Oh my goodness, I'm terrified. I don't want to get soaked. My board is gonna get trashed, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't know if I can do it, bro. I'm scared. That's a quick ollie. Yikes. Here it goes. Oh my gosh. If I can get 3, I'll be happy. If I can get 3,
Yeah, let's make that happen.
where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Oh, shit.
I got it. Hold it.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, bro, it's swimming. Bro, thank you, Jay.
Yeah. I gotta do it again.
I gotta do it again. That's true. All right, y'all.
I see the board. What do you mean? Oh, that's a pretty car. Oh. Yo, it's went. It's
Alright, this is where things start to get a little crazy. I don't know what happened to the footage on the GoPro. I thought it was on, but I guess it wasn't recording, which makes me so sad because this was like the key moment in the entire day. And I decided to jump in the water. I had to make a decision right then and there because the board went super far and I just didn't want Jay to go all the way down there by himself because water is really scary. I've lost a friend to water and I didn't mind losing my board, but I wanted to be there for Jay in case he fell down or if something happened to him. I could like pick him back up or like, you know, just like have somebody there because he was far, and if we were all like super far away from him and like something happened to him, we wouldn't be able to do anything. So I had to make a decision. I just jumped in and decided to sacrifice my shoes, my clothes. You know, I tried to get it for the vlog and the freaking camera wasn't on. And it just makes me so sad because it just would have looked so nice in 4K.
Right there.
But thankfully, the board got stuck on something, on some rocks, and it could have been very easily that the board got swept away with all the water and I would have never seen that board again. But me and Jay were able to save it, and thank goodness that we were. But that was only half of the mission. Now, the mission was to come back up to the cement blocks from all the rushing water. You can see Jay, he's looking at the camera like, is this thing even on? And then I slip out and fall. And it was just crazy. Like, it was such a crazy moment. And it was just so hard to walk up that rushing water with all the rocky, slippery rocks. And me and Jay were just slipping out. And I just really wish that I got that in 4K because it just would have looked so good. But thank goodness that Jay was live streaming. So if you guys want to see like the full live raw feeling of this moment, check out Jay's live stream because we pretty much captured everything and more of this moment. And I don't know, it was just crazy. But from here, once we got back up to like kind of this top area, it was smooth sailing, but like down there it was really crazy. And I'm gonna let it cut back to the video now. So yeah.
Boys, now we soaked though. We soaked. For the board. Hey, thank you for going for it, bro.
Yeah, no
I felt so bad. I was like, damn, I'm making him go all the way out there. No, I gotta go. I was like, I ain't gonna do that to him.
Thanks for coming, that should help.
No, for real, bro. I was like, bro, that's scary. Oh,
It was scary.
oh,
You got, you got.
I'm falling. I'm falling.
I need a break.
Oh my gosh. Ah.
That was
Hey, it was sick though.
That was
for
fun.
the vlog.
That was fun. Whoa. That's crazy over there.
Dude, it was crazy over there. Like it got like all hella rocky,
got, like,
and then like it got strong as hell.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
You got like ridiculously strong. We're trying to go up. That shit was so
I fell twice.
dying.
Bro.
I'm trying to get that one. Are you gonna still go for it?
I'm done, bro. RIP after that.
That was a mission.
Hey, but it was fun though.
You know what's fun? Hey, props for you, bro.
Straight up, straight up.
You already went.
Got experience it, you know?
Yeah.
Woo! Alright. Thank you, Mogely.
Yes,
Woo! Everything got soaked. My board got soaked. My shoes, my t-shirt got soaked, bro. But it was worth it, man. So sick. No. Oh my gosh.
It is a battle, bro. Thank God.
Hey! Yeah.
Oh, no. Hey, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Oh my God.
Put the camera in the wall. Let's go. Let's go. This
Not even
sound.
making a sound.
Yeah, yours is like a low thud. It's like
Yeah.
the.
Funnily enough, this is my first time ever hanging out with these guys, but after today, it kind of just felt like I knew these guys forever. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. Don't forget to drop me a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.